Yeah, it worked. Yeah, no dramas. I don't know why people get light rugs. G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes, and today I'm going to talk to you about rugs. What's the big deal about rugs? Why do we like rugs so much? This rug has just been amazing. It conceals a lot of the dirt that my kids and my dogs bring into this house. Okay. I don't know why people get light rugs. My wife and I love colour. We absolutely love colour. This rug here is kind of like I guess like a bit of a stripy rainbow rug. You can see lots of different colours through it. Make sure your seating is on top of the rugs. That's a number one rule, all right? And if it's a smaller size rug, then make sure at least the front part of your seating is on it. I've made sure that all my seating here is got both the front and back of the seating on the rug. So in some ways, that rug could be quite a big rug. I would massively suggest aurugs.com. Okay, aurugs.com. They have the best rugs on the planet, in my opinion, and the best price points. So many different rugs, many different kinds, indoor rugs, outdoor rugs, made from everything and at all price points, and they are always having a sale. And another thing that's really good about aurugs.com is that when you're in your jurisdiction, you're in your country, the prices will automatically change to suit your currency. So I'm in Australia, prices will be changed to suit Australian currency automatically, and that also includes delivery and shipment. That's all inclusive. Let's say you can't find the right size rug, you've been looking on the internet, but you like certain carpets instead. What a carpet manufacturer can do for you is they can make a sort of like a faux rug from the carpet. It's still another option for you. Can you buy second-hand rugs? It depends on your jurisdiction. Some jurisdictions will say no. If you wanted to go to a thrift store, for example, there are some places where you cannot get a second-hand rug. It's apparently against the law. I didn't know that. Whereas in other jurisdictions, people are like, yeah, I've got a second-hand rug here. You know, I've given it to the thrift shop or the op shop or whatever. Just get it. How do you clean rugs? One of my early rug experiences I had when my wife and I first got married and we were living in Adelaide, South Australia, the rug people who we bought the rugs from said you take your rug outside every so often and you basically hose it down with cold water. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, no dramas. A bit later on though, when we moved to this city that we're in at the moment, we had some wine. We spilt some wine on the rug and I didn't know how to clean it up. And some people say use baking soda, and I did that and I didn't think it was a good idea because it actually left a white stain on this burnt orange rug, and I was a bit annoyed about that. Another option that I did use though was just to sort of spray it in vinegar, and that actually worked a treat. I can't give you all the answers for cleaning rugs. I think it's a bit of a trial and error thing. I do think the vinegar option is very good though, just normal white vinegar, and it's also cheap. It's a cheap way of cleaning your rug. The baking soda, you be very careful that you don't white stain it. And I've also white stained a carpet with trying to clean it with baking soda. So that's one of my little tips. But comment down below if you think you got some really good ideas about how to clean a rug. Look, I hope you like the content. Hope you like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.